Action.
All right, over here. The creek is over there. They put a dam up there to stop the water. Water came across where that driveway is. And over there was a big reservoir on the other side of that wall. And where the steps are there, see them steps? That was a gate. And the water, they would open the gate and water would come across a trough in the ground and go into the building and turn the wheel. And the wheel, if you look over here, see, this part of the floor was not there. And the leather belt came up here. Leather belt turning. And right, see those two holes there? It was a shaft. See? Runs all the way down the building. And when they needed the machine hooked up, they would put the machine here and put a belt up over that thing, and that's how it would turn. And that's how a mill worked, from belts. And then sometime in the late 1800s or mid-1800s, because in a mill, a textile mill this was, the fibers in the air, if somebody lit a match or something, they would explode into a big fire. So the textile industry, they invented the sprinkler system. And this building is fully sprinklered. You can see them up there. And that's how it was invented and why it was invented. It saved a lot of lives because they didn't put much value in the life of a worker. I mean, he was not very valuable. And up there on top of that hill, there was a big tank full of water. And they pumped the water up into the tank, and the pressure of the tank up the hill was enough to sprinkle the building with pressure. You might want to know when the water went around the wheel, then what happened to the water. Okay? Under this building, underneath it is a tunnel, big enough to put a rowboat in. And the water continues out and ends up in the creek over there.